The purpose of an encrypted email is to maintain the confidentiality of data. Encryption conceals the content of a message by translating it into code. It's especially useful when you need to send sensitive information that other people should not be able to access. Because email is sent over the internet, it is subject to being intercepted by hackers. Encryption adds a valuable layer of security to ensure that your message can only be read by the intended recipient. To use Office 365 Message Encryption, you will need to have one of the following Microsoft 365 plans. To send an encrypted email from Outlook, you don't need to set up anything. You can simply compose a new email and encrypt it. Open Outlook and compose a new email. Simply add a recipient, subject, and body. You can also add attachments to the email just like you normally do. The next step is to encrypt the email. Select Options, then click on Encrypt. You can also select other options under Encrypt, which I will explain later. After you have applied the encryption, you will see a small note above the address fields that the email is encrypted. Click on Send to send the email to the recipient or recipients. If the recipient is using Outlook, then they received a secure email with the original subject and the lock icon. Outlook will verify the recipient in the background after you double-click on the email. It will then open just like a normal email. The recipient does not need to have Outlook or Office 365 to open the encrypted email. When you send a secure email to Gmail, for example, the recipient will see only the subject and the button to the Read the Message. When you click on Read the Message, you will be sent to Outlook Online where you need to verify your account. Depending on the client, this can be done with a one-time passcode which will be sent to the intended recipient, or by signing with the identity provider of your mail client. After verification, you can read the email and attachment in the Outlook Online environment. The recipient can reply or forward, only when allowed, the email while keeping the encryption in place. Office 365 secure emails can be sent using Outlook Online. The principle and technique are the same as with Outlook, only the menu looks a bit different. Compose a new email in Outlook Online. Select Encrypt in the toolbar. Click Change Permissions if you also want to prevent forwarding of the email. Click Send when done. Select the gear icon and choose all Outlook settings. Select Mail, choose Customize Actions. Enable Encrypt. You can not only encrypt emails in Outlook but also prevent them from being forwarded. This way you can ensure that the email will only be read by the person you have to send it to. When you apply the encryption in a new message in Outlook, you get a couple of options. Recipients cannot remove the encryption, so forwards and replies to the message remain encrypted. Recipients can read this message but cannot forward, print, or copy content. The conversation owner retains full access to their messages and all replies. This content is proprietary information intended for internal recipients only. External recipients will not be able to open the message. This content is proprietary information intended for internal recipients only. External recipients will not be able to open the message. Additionally, this content cannot be modified, copied, or printed. In Outlook, it is possible to remove the encryption of the email after you have sent it. After you have removed the encryption, recipient can read the email without verification. Go to your sent items in Outlook, open the encrypted mail that you have sent, select File, and select Unrestricted Access under Encrypt. Thanks for watching this video. Let us know in the comment section below how this feature worked out for you. Follow us on social media. See you next time!